Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
Okay, got this top shaft all put back together. Just wanted to show you on this synchronizer right here, as you see, I've got tape, just some heavy duty like duct tape, holding these two drums together, because inside them drums, like with this one, are clutch disc and plates. If you don't do this, these want to fall off, and then it's really hard, pain in the rear is what it is, to try to get them back together while they're inside the transmission like this. Another trick that I've learned, leave the bearing races out of each end until you get the forks, these forks over top of this, because you need to be able to move this shaft. As you can see, it'll still move. You need to be able to move that as you try to line up these two rollers in them slots right there, which is the actual shift. This rotates. That's how it actually shifts. If you see the grooves, get it up here where you can see it. If you see the grooves in there, that's how this actually moves these forks back and forth, is how it follows the grooves as you shift it. Just a little trick.